In the heart of Ukraine, nestled amidst verdant forests and tranquil rivers, lies a ghostly relic of a forgotten world. A place forever trapped in the grips of history, condemned to a haunting silence by an invisible enemy. This is Chernobyl, a name that echoes with chilling resonance, a symbol of mankind's hubris and the terrible price paid for its folly. In the early days, Chernobyl was like any other bustling town. Life was simple, filled with the humdrum of everyday existence, until the year 1970, when the government decided to harness the power of the atom. The construction of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant began, and with it the first seeds of an impending catastrophe were sown. The plant was a marvel of its time, a testament to the technological prowess of the Soviet Union. 4 reactors stood tall, their domes gleaming under the sun, seemingly invincible. Yet beneath this facade of strength and stability lurked a potent danger, a danger that would soon reveal itself in the most horrific of ways. On a seemingly ordinary day, the 26th of April, 1986, disaster struck. A routine safety test went horribly wrong, resulting in a catastrophic explosion in one of the reactors. The night sky was painted with an eerie glow as radioactive particles were spewed into the atmosphere. The once bustling town was plunged into chaos and confusion. The Soviet authorities, grappling with the enormity of the disaster, initially attempted to downplay its severity. Yet, as the days wore on, the monstrous truth could not be hidden. The fallout from the explosion had contaminated vast swathes of land, poisoning the air, the water, the very earth itself. An exclusion zone was hastily set up, encompassing Chernobyl and the surrounding areas. The residents, their lives irrevocably shattered, were evacuated, never to return. In the aftermath of the disaster, the world watched in shock and disbelief. The name Chernobyl became synonymous with nuclear catastrophe, a grim reminder of the perils of unchecked technological advancement. The once thriving town was now a desolate wasteland, its buildings standing as silent sentinels to a tragedy that claimed countless lives and left an indelible scar on the face of the earth. Today, over 3 decades later, Chernobyl remains a poignant symbol of a dark chapter in human history. The deserted streets, the crumbling buildings, the eerie silence, all bear testimony to the terrifying power of the atom and the destructive potential of human error. In a nutshell, we've journeyed through the rise and fall of Chernobyl, a town that was once brimming with life, now a haunting reminder of one of the worst nuclear disasters in history. From its early days to the construction of the nuclear plant and the catastrophic explosion that followed, we've explored the sequence of events that led to this disaster. We've also delved into the aftermath, the cover-up attempts, the establishment of the exclusion zone, and the lasting impact of this tragedy. As we conclude, let us remember the lessons that Chernobyl has taught us. The story of Chernobyl is a stark warning about the dangers of human hubris, the reckless pursuit of technological advancement, and the devastating consequences of ignoring safety protocols. It is a tale that compels us to pause, reflect, and ensure that such a disaster never repeats itself. In the end, all that's left is a chilling echo, a ghostly whisper that reverberates through the desolate streets of Chernobyl, a chilling reminder of a disaster that shook the world and changed the course of history forever.